Welcome to another wig review, my darlings. Today we are reviewing another Luvmehair wig. Luvmehair kamhara patana so because the last wig was fire, but I was like, you know what? Let's see if the other wigs are actually the jazz or mole really lucky fella. So we are doing an 8-inch bob. I have an idea of what I want this wear and go bob to look like. I hope it looks like that. I will put on the side the pictures on their website. Expectation versus reality. But anyway, I don't want to waste time. Again, Luvmehair came in this lovely box. So let's see what's in the box. Again, but it's gifty. And it is the same stuff, which is okay. I guess every time you order a wig you get this, which is pretty cool. It is a brush. It is this elastic band that I'm still not sure what it's for. I don't know if it's to do this, like to make it more secure, because most of them, they come with that rubber band or extender. Please, somebody who knows what this is for, because it's too small. It like a pini, and then it like the influencer clips. Makeup, and then it like this tweezer, which I absolutely don't like. I won't like this tweezer. Is not it. But anyway, that is a story for another day. You also get the instructions on how to take care of your hair. It's like a user guide. It's a user guide, and then you also get a wig cap. I don't think it will work a wig cap because wig cap is I'll forget. But let's see. And then you get a little thing how. So that's what we get in the pack. Similar, standard to the last one. Tell me if you've bought a wig from Luvmehair, if you get the same stuff or not. Ne? So it is an 8-inch blunt cut bob. Hopefully it's gonna give what it's supposed to give. Give 4x4 closure, because you know how I feel. Got the lace front, didn't trap a knot. Side note, I am going to pilot Chabalala's wig workshop. I am so excited. Maybe I give work. The lace front. So this is the wig. Okay. I get blunt cut. Get blunt cut. First look at the blunt. It looks very blunt. So that is a relief, because most of my wigs from the other place, they go crown mine, go Joburg. They say it's a blunt cut, but it's like pota pota. So this is the wig. Okay, let me put it on. Let's be serious. I want to cry. This is so pretty. Batong wigi Oh my gosh. Let's go and accent your chincha. Your chincha is cool in the accent. Oh my word. Look at this wig. Aksokami. Akaira next. I literally just put it on as is. This is probably the most wear and go I've ever had with a wear and go wig. Kamu hai so kopani li tlhogo, li wigi, li miriri. Anyone? That bounce. Okay, let's cut this wig. Let us cut this lace. And then ribbon on the head. But wow, I am impressed. But I can just highlight the so, but let's cut it. I think the only thing that I have noticed about this is that they say it's a customized lace. It is kind of sort of customized if you look at it from the side, but I'm sure the hairline could be more customized if you wanted to. I'm sure you can pluck the hairline a little bit more. Hopefully after the Pilot Chabalala wig masterclass, I can finally plug wigs. Get the bald spot. But let's just cut this wig real quick. What lace, ma'am? Show me the lace. Where is it? What lace? What lace, ma'am? Kindly locate the lace on this wig. I haven't even done the thing. What a king. Aguso but a king sose. Lots has a concealer or any more lacing. Mara, already you cannot locate the lace. Locate the lace for me, ma'am. And once you've located it. This wig is so proper. I'm so happy for it. Like, I'm so excited for this wig. Oh, did you see that? Listen, you know what? I feel like I've been robbing myself all this time because I have been so content with the dragon's wigs that I didn't know actually wigs can look so nice. Now that I'm trying other brands, I'm realizing Horia. Dragon was selling you a dragon. But anyway, let's not ramble and let's just admire this wig. Arira timer, ya wen go. Re bona hore wigi e ka re tsia sebaka se se kanang. Ashish, get a stopwatch. Start. Sentse ke ya pele. Ke le bontshe way and go. Ya manit. Ashi. Start. Uya mmerekong ngwana kwa hae o jahile o na le meeting ka 8 o'clock ene sentse o be o le mo Teams call o share video ya hao ene hona no ke 5 o rata bjang ene wa itse hore ba le ba ko mmerekong ba ka o tloela hampe ba o kira o se hot o se pila o se ready o se right o se relevant akere guys ba o lebelletse hampe ba re o le rena ko mmona faila mara wena you are the girl you think you are and in 30 seconds wa peru wiki sesi o ka mo kholung o tshumale video or hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Oh my gosh, Susie, we can't see your face, switch on your camera. Bona. Yes, that was my tutorial, that was my demonstration. But I think the only thing I would probably do is I'll just cut it a little bit more for my length because I actually want a bob fitlamo. And then also another thing that I will probably do to this wig is that it's big. I have a small head, right? So sometimes wigs tend to make these weird bumps because they're big. But I have a hack that I saw that actually, let me just show you the hack, right? The hack is that you sew the tracks. Actually, you saw it on Love Me's Instagram. You sew, I wanna do track it young, like you sew some of these together, like so. So that the wig becomes shorter and then it can fit your head. So the thinky sample, but so far wigi esham matter of fact into happy in case I born in case no way confirm last minute last time because I mean yes sis. And as per usual I forgot it has clips all over, like it's got clips here on the side and then at the back as well for those of you who've got hair. But listen, let me just put it on again so you can see this beauty. As soon as it goes on, you can't see that lace. As soon as it goes on, you cannot locate the lace. Locate the lace, madam. You can't. Even if you look, you can't locate the lace. Kieta ele the influencer ele. What lace? Henge Love Me in a shop around. No kai reka on your way to a wedding. Uya lenyalong or uya kai even your own wedding, mar uya somewhere ne. And uka ya para ka marakoloi, wa fetsa o feleletsa ka mohara koloi. Bona, that's how pretty this wig is. Ke ele ya hore ke wear and go. Bon. You know, I thought people had to work so hard, ne, to get their wigs to look like this. But I'm only now realizing it's just maybe next time we go to black and so long like this already. I'm so excited for this wig. Oh my gosh, like shame. Woo, shame. I am impressed. I am impressed. Love me. Done did it again. It was not a fluke. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that. Now imagine if it was a full lace wig. Look. Look. Imagine if that was a full lace. Full lace actually. Wait, this wig in gets already battle the full lace. I wanna give on a the frontal. Look like the full lace. The frontal I wanna give on a hurry. I want to see something. Kiloreka frontal. I make you one. You Shem, I am utterly impressed by this wig. It is a 9 out of 10. And the only reason why it's not a 10 out of 10 is because I'm being stingy today. So yes, guys, as you guys already know, I do have a 10% off code at Luvmehair. And if you want to use that, I'll leave the code right on top. And then you get a 10% discount on all products that you shop from Luvmehair. And quite honestly, I am so glad to keep giving you this code because these hair, look at these hair. This hair is actually really good. I am actually impressed by the hair, and it gets my seal of approval for a lazy girl like me, a low maintenance girl like me who wants just to wear and go. This is the hair. But that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am so happy with this wig. You have no idea. Next time, love. I will see you guys next time. I love you guys so much. And thank you so much for the support I have been receiving. I will see you. Okay. Bye.